And I guess we're live. Hi everyone.
Hi.
Hi Aziza, good
Hi.
to see you.
Good to see you too.
We had quite a few people waiting. Thank you for waiting for us, guys. We apologize for the delay. We had some technical difficulties that we sorted, and now we are ready to go. And you know, I see a beautiful painting behind you, Aziza, that you kind of pulled out of your pocket at the last moment and said, okay, maybe we just hang it there behind me today and maybe we auction it?
Yeah, great idea.
Okay, so guys, we thought since it's a pretty big and special painting, a lot of you could see on Aziza's stream how she was making it because she's lately showing you the creation of art live.
I did it exactly for this event, for this project, for this time. It's my love to all my friends, all rollers, all Ashiks that support me, and we create together such beautiful music and such beautiful history in this time.
This okay, guys, what about $500? Yes, it's a big price, but I know some of the hunters for this art can afford it, for the art of Aziza. I know that that a lot of you can place a bid. So the rules, unfortunately, we don't have it on the auctioning platform, but the rules are next. You can say I bid in the chat and the sum of money that you bid. The starting price is $500. We're not gonna be talking about this much during the concert. We're gonna like keep it until the end, and we'll see if we have the bids. If we don't have the bids, I'm just gonna put it on the auctioning platform later, and we're gonna auction it anyway. Just extend the time further than this concert. And guys, you know, we had the concert like this for the first time August last year, so it's been almost a year since we've done it, and I really wanted to do it once again. Aziz also wanted it, of course, but there was another one on the equipment that you raised funds for and provided Aziza with it. So technically it's the third stream that we have in Lanet production. The middle one was just a bit different than the first one and this one, but this one is gonna be amazing because we have one of the best sound engineers there working on it. Yes, my friend, you are. Good job. Thank you, Dmitro. So, Karland is actually on the other side managing the whole stream, and he is the mastermind there. So we also gotta thank him beforehand for his work. Thank you, Kale. And not only beforehand, he's done a lot of work before the stream. So good job, my friend. Thank you. So welcome everyone who is joining. Let's begin with the first song. And as always, I will ask you to say the name of the song before you play it. Don't forget about it, please,
Okay.
because you know I'm gonna be poking you, reminding you. Yeah, before you start playing, maybe you want to say something.
For me, you're so incredible, and this concert, this music is my love to you, my love to my friends who did so great supporting, so great job in this time, and I'm just happy to be here, and I hope I can do my best.
You will. Thank you, Aziza.
Cemaat'nın sözü. Cemaat'nın sözü da kavdırır. Men halk azatlığı dağlarında doğan. Cemaat'nın sözü da kavdırır. Men halk azatlığı dağlarında doğan. Minde deri üstünde can, ebedi çiçekler yana. Kapımı kapattım,
Bugün yılan gibi bir olayım Yok serbestliğim arzularının O peşinden ölmez Cemaatinin sözü dağıldırır Men halk azatlığı dağlarında doğam Cemaatinin sözü dağıldırır Men halk azatlığı dağlarında doğam Zaman içinde yankırıgan dış sesini unutmasın O'zun denizini eşitmege istey Supsağan yaşlılarının canlarında düşman Bizge kulluk diley Ama o'zunu mezar içinde tapar Benim sözüm kanımda Cemaatinin sözü dağıldırır Men halk azatlığı dağlarında doğan Cemaatinin sözü dağıldırır Men halk azatlığı dağlarında doğan Cemaatinin sözü dağıldırır Men halk azatlığı dağlarında doğam
What a beautiful song, Aziza. Can you please tell us about it?
This song is perfect, I think, for this time because it's about power of community, power of the nation, of the people that can change everything, and nobody can stop this power, this this incredible spirit of freedom, and it's about also love between Crimea and Ukraine, because it was the first idea of the song. It's love between people who live now under Russian occupation and people who are now in Ukraine, have freedom and have opportunity to fight, opportunity to be strong, and it's about future together, and about my hope to see my home free.
Thank you, Aziza. What's the name of the next one?
Чорне море.
Пустелі, просто залиш свій страх, під водою та сваль не вдихай. і в посмішках дзеркал не сховаєш пустелі. Просто залиш свій страх, під водою дозволь не вдихать, розірветься біле сонце в Чорному морі, в Чорному морі, в Чорному морі, в Чорному морі, в Чорному морі. Просто залиш свій страх, під водою дозволь не вдихать, розірветься біле сонце в Чорному морі. Чорному морі, Karadeniz yalasında Tatarların vetanım var. Karadeniz yalasında Tatarların vetanım var. Nerede vardır bu ile hava, nerede vardır bu ile yuva, nerede vardır bu ile hava, nerede vardır bu ile yuva, böyle hava, böyle de yuva, bizim taraf, bizim taraf, böyle hava, böyle de yuva, bizim taraf, bizim taraf, bizim taraf, bizim taraf.
Beautiful, and it feels a bit heartbreaking. Even if I don't understand the lyrics, I can feel that. Can you please tell us, what are you singing about in this one?
You know, this song has a big history, and sometimes I can understand my own songs after the time. This song about Karadeniz, about Black Sea, about memory, about water it can remember about everything, about pain, about lives that Russian killed. And I also create a song in the name of Nomanchili Bijihan. Russian killed this great person, and only water knows where is his body now, where is he. So they threw this body in the Black Sea. And also when they deported Crimean Tatar in the 1944, they forget about one village and about people who live in one village, and they just threw this, kill them in water. So вони потопили їх.
So they drowned them.
Yeah. So it's about my land, about my people, and about Black Sea, because I can't see Black Sea in same way like I did it in the past, because Black Sea now for me is about war and about my homeland that is very far from me.
Got it. You see, I said that I don't understand the words, but actually most of the song is in Ukrainian, and I understood most of it. But thank you for explaining it to us, because understanding the context is very important, and now I understand it much more. Thank you, Aziza. What's the name of the next one?
Pride. Pride, pride, stay by me on the riverside. Never look the life of spring in the darkest time. The pride hath the ways ocean never talks. Inside the water I see my skin black, black. Friend, you never saw my honest heart. You left me, but I'm not alone. Breath means nothing when you serve executioners. So I believe in my heart. So I believe in my heart. Yüreğini unutma, sevgilim. Yangan toprak unutma, yangan toprak unutma. Yüreğini unutma, sevgilim. Gerçek ses unutma, gerçek ses unutma. Pride flows at night and day in the villain's names. Never lose your heart and pain will be your sword of the truth. On the battlefield and while rest, don't forget my words. Keep my firelight. It's a moment of loss. Don't cry in the river of despair. Don't cry in the river of despair. Yüreğini unutma, sevgilim. Yangan toprak unutma, yangan toprak unutma. Yüreğini unutma, sevgilim. Gerçek ses unutma, gerçek ses unutma. Bright songs is praying to God. Nothing can change my pain. We are the human sides of stars. We are the human sides of stars. We are the nights. We are the nights. We are the nights of the Black Sea. We are the nights. We are the nights. We are the nights of the Black Sea. Yüreğini unutma, sevgilim. Yangan toprak unutma, yangan toprak unutma. Yüreğini unutma, sevgilim. Gerçek ses unutma, gerçek ses unutma. Bright, bright, stay by me on the riverside. Never lose the life of spring in the darkest time. The pride has the ways ocean never talks. Inside the water I see my skin black, black.
Thank you, Aziza. Do you want to tell us something about this song?
This song, it's directly to our friends who live not in Ukraine, from different countries, from different nations, and it's about how it's important to defend democracy, defend freedom, and liberate Crimea. And I call everybody to be warriors, to be defenders of this, to be on our side, to be together. And I know that you are here, I know that you are on our side, and just I want that we will be stronger and it's a long way of liberation, but we have to do it together.
Indeed. Thank you. How this one is called?
Gel beni saylay. Men saylayayım.
Mensa.
Gel beni saylay, yel kanatlar.
So I guess this song, Men Saylayip, is one of the newest ones, right?
Yeah, it's we can translate it. I make the choice to see in the darkness, to see darkness. So it's about how I can be honest with myself and how I can see the reality. And through this reality, I can bring something new and change this world.
Yeah. We actually were talking with you on some of the streams before about many people not wanting to face the reality, and they live in some dreamland wearing the pink glasses, and they just don't want to care about this darkness that surrounds us. And without facing this darkness, I don't think we can fight it.
Yeah,
So
it's make us more weaker, so we can
Yeah.
be not so strong. And reality and the truth gives us this powerful
yeah,
energy.
yeah, facing the darkness gives you power, indeed.
Yeah.
Thank you for teaching me this, Aziza.
Thank you.
That's amazing. And rollers are applauding in the chat. They are absolutely blown away with your music, your voice. Aziza, this song is, I would say, one of the favorite ones of the new songs of
Wow.
yours, Men Saylayip. You perform it just perfectly.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Кінцесвітня.
Чорні, чорні пащики прірв, чорні, чорні безкраї, хаос крилами здовжив шир, хаос, хаос шугає, де це раптом урвався крик, що там гукнуло в бурі, груди, груди, гора вгорі, міста римнули мури, гей, як ходить, движить земля, гей, як Тарас, зараз його темна, всю зальє її зараз. Воу-воу, чорні, чорні пащики прірв, чорні, чорні безкраї, хаос крилами здовжив шир, хаос, хаос шугає, але я стою поруч з тобою, герою, герою, як земля, як хвилі свободи крізь бруд неволі, крізь бруд неволі. Чорні, чорні пащики прірв, чорні, чорні безкраї, хаос крилами здовжив шир, хаос, хаос шугає.
Aziza, I see in the list of songs that I have that this song was written by someone else.
It's lyrics. It's a poetry of Antonich. So it's lyrics for words. It's his poetry, Кінцесвітня. But my melody, it's my song, and I also like add my words. So it's and by him it's and only like house shuhaya, but I add my sense for this time. Але я стою поруч з тобою, because he lived in another time, and we understood that we can fight even in this time, and we are afraid, of course, because it's normal to afraid of these terrible moments, but we can fight and we can be strong. So it's like his lyrics and my lyrics in the end.
Thank you for making it even deeper. It like I listened to it. I hear it for the first time, just like everyone in the room. And from you probably performed it on your streams.
Yeah,
on
it's a long time. It's old song.
old song, okay. But yeah, it's actually a great opportunity to remind the rollers that they can come to your streams where you perform, doing the concerts from home. with a great sound, and you do it twice a week, and people can listen to you live more often. So guys, please subscribe to Aziza's channel, and also subscribe to her bass if you have the means, because it would be awesome to see Aziza prospering and buying whatever equipment she wants, and you know, going outside of the country and showing her music to more people around the world. All of that requires money, so if you help her financially, it will be amazing. All the links are in the description of this stream. I know Aziza is super humble to promote herself. This is why I'm doing it for her. So here's a bit of a promotion. Please support her. And thank you, Dr. Tuso, for 50 gifted memberships. Aziza, what's the name of the next one?
Yaxşı adamlar.
Yaxşı adamlar, şehirde kanlı, yara gibi uyanıklar. Onlar meleklerimiz sesini, onların deminin şeytanın canıdır. Men onlardan hiçbir vakit yalnız kaldırmam. Men onlarını hiçbir vakit yalnız kaldırmam. Yaxşı adamlar ellerini silahlarlar. Yaxşı adamlar kademi derdini deniz dibinden tabalar. Yaxşı adamlar ellerini silahlarlar, silahlarlar. Yaxşı adamlar ellerini silahlarlar, silahlarlar. Yaxşı adamlar ellerini silahlarlar, silahlarlar. Yaxşı adamlar zayıflığında kör karanlıktan korkmayan canı idaresini tapalar. Yıldızlarını parçalamak için, yıldızlarını parçalamak için. Yaxşı adamlar ellerini silahlarlar, silahlarlar. Yaxşı adamlar ellerini silahlarlar, silahlarlar. Yaxşı adamlar ellerini silahlarlar, silahlarlar. Yaxşı adamlar azaplananlarını seslerine yankıran divalar işitilir. Yaxşı adamlar arasında yürürler. Yer balalarının yüreklerinde sağ kalsın, sağ kalsın. Yer balalarının yüreklerinde sağ kalsın, sağ kalsın. Yaxşı adamlar ellerine silahlarlar, silahlarlar. Yaxşı adamlar hiçbir vakit yalnız kaldırma. Ben olanı hiçbir vakit yalnız kaldırma.
This one is new for me, but damn, it's so beautiful. And you, how many culminations do you have in this song? It's like up and down, up and down. It's amazing. It sounds fantastic, and your voice in it is getting maybe not to its full potential. We still don't know it. I think it's infinite, but it's really amazing. And Donna Kyiv commented when you were singing, music which deserves to be heard by the whole world. And I totally agree with this. So a lot of people in the chat and me are really curious what this song is about.
It's about how good people have to fight and take the weapon in their hands. How good people that have to be in civilian lives, dream about another world, dream about to travel, to create own life. They have to fight, and they have to make this choice to defend our state, to defend freedom. And it's about love to these people and respect and pain too, because it's very hard to see it. It's very hard, especially when they died and when they cannot continue to make this world better. Because a lot of greatest people that could do a lot of great things for this world, they died, or they have to fight, so they could not make own dream alive. They are not here, and it's my love to these people.
Glory to all the heroes.
Glory to all the heroes.
You know, it is breaking my heart so many times when I think about it, think about all those people's dreams and the good things they could do for our country, for the world, for the culture, for the music, you know, for the art. So we need to keep fighting to not let even more people be enslaved and killed. So to end it on the positive note, keep fighting is the way, I guess. Thank you, Aziza. And true words from Aziza again, Denise keeps saying. What's the name of this one?
Сонце Сибіру.
Спить, твоя радість спить, не прокинеться більше сонце Сибіру. Спить, твоя радість спить, не прокинеться більше сонце Сибіру. Електричний струм бив коня, що біг крізь їдкий дим, тіні під шкірою, п'яна темрява, голка роботів снід. Спить, твоя радість спить, не прокинеться більше сонце Сибіру. Спить, твоя радість спить, не прокинеться більше сонце Сибіру. Електричний струм, ненависть твоя так схожа на гулак голосів, в цьому образі Боже покарав народ, покарав сном, покарав сном. Спить, твоя радість спить, не прокинеться більше ince beline. Ay talala, ay talala. Benim yaşım yaştır, yüreğim taştır. Yüreğimi irettin, sen bir zevkli uşaksın. Bir elimde kemanım, dın kumun kulben çalsam. Bir elimde dareçim, dispo dispo ben çalsam. Bir elimde kemanım, dın kumun kulben çalsam. Bir elimde dareçim, dispo dispo ben çalsam. Alsam yarem dizime, sarsam ince beline. Vay talala, vay talala, vay talala, vay talala, vay talala, vay talala, vay talala, vay talala.
Thank you for these two songs, Aziza. So Darechik was the last one, and most of us know it
Bir
already.
elimde kemanım.
Ah, it's not Darechik. Wait. Huh. Okay, my brain tricked me here. But the Black Sun of Siberia, is it the black one? By the way? The Sun of
Son of
Siberia.
Siberia.
Can you please tell us about it? Because it's some very interesting lyrics there and some metaphors. And to be honest, I'm really curious.
It's about Siberia and it's about Russia, and it's about how they use this region for creating concentration camps, Russian concentration camps, and how a lot of Ukrainians died, and how a lot of Crimean Tatars also were in these places. And it's about Russian world and how they colonized these territories, and how people are sleeping, and how it's about in Russia there is a lot of problems inside, and they have problems with alcohol, and they have it's absolutely great degradation, and it's about how their power absolutely doesn't respect them, and it's about absolutely illness that kill these people and kill the another nations because of this slavery, because of this people who cannot take the responsibility and fight against this, and be open for new life without wars and without this great tragedy for another nations and in general world. And also about how they destroyed nature, and how they use a resource for staying strong, but it's a lie. It's like big illusion and like a big dream.
Yeah, and they are not mostly, but they're weak, and they're covering that weakness with their weapons, with killing and destruction. And yeah, it's a very deep meaning in this song. Thank you for sharing it with us. Guys, while Aziza is preparing, I wanted to say that I love that we have so many guitar songs here today. What's the name of this one, Aziza?
You are in my heart.
Oh, I like this one.
You are in my heart, you live like spring in my heart. You can't disappear, you can't die. You are in my heart, you live like spring in my heart. You can't disappear, you can't die. You are in my heart, you are my water. You are the sky that blesses my air. You are in my heart, source and inspiration. Hope to be in your letters, hope to be in your arms.
This one is indeed also one of my favorite, just like of many of the rollers. Junjo here in the chat saying, you live like spring in my heart, you can't disappear, you can't die. One of my favorite, absolute favorites. Love, Aziza. Junjo, thank you for 50 gifted. It's very appreciated. Guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for supporting us with likes, comments after, and activity in the chat. It's very important. Don't forget to subscribe to Aziza's channel if you're just finding her, and you just cannot not be blown away by her talent. So you'll definitely go subscribe, but I know that most of you already subscribed. Though, I want to finally let you start the next song. And what's the name?
Karanfil.
Karanfili mor bana ne hor baktın sen bana hor baktın bilgen olsam gönlün vermez dem sana karanfil karanfil sen herkesten dül bersin barda yalvar anna seni bizge cibersin karanfilim karanfilim karanfilim karanfilim karanfil kurutmadı ben seni unutmadım üstüne senin canın yıcıtmadım üstüne yar tutmadım karanfilim karanfil kurutmadı ben seni unutmadım senin canın yıcıtmadım üstüne yar tutmadım.
Thank you very much, Aziza. It was beautiful. And can you tell us about this song, please?
This old Crimean Tatar song, it's about a love song, about, Crimean Tatar lyrics are very hard to understand sometimes because it's a lot of, metaphor, a lot of words that you have to feel deep inside of you. And how I can understand this song, it's about feeling deep inside of you to another person, and about time when you can save this through the distance, through the life. You can be not betray these feelings and be on the side of this person, on the side of this feeling, and you true that you have inside of you.
Thank you. And you know what? I just remembered that I forgot to ask you about "You Are in My Heart." Can you please also tell us what this song means to you?
This song, mm, it's a song has a lot of senses. One sense that I have, it's about great people that will never die in my heart. If even they are not in this life, they are here in my heart. Until I'm alive, I will be with these people. It's a lot of our great people and my also relatives that always with me. And it's about inner power that we have. Because even we are alone, if you have nobody, we can find this connect with yourself and be strong and never give up. And it's like about Ashik, if we can say Ashik. It's a lover of God, lover of this great love and feelings that you cannot explain and you cannot describe, but this make you full of senses, deep personality.
Thank you very much for explaining it to us. And what's the next one?
If you can listen.
If you can listen, I can speak. If you have pain, I can breathe. Then deliver into your heart. I can find paradise for you, for my mind, which they try to poison. If you can listen, I can speak. Nobody knows your inner world. Перестанеш говорити в темряві самотності. If you can listen, I can speak. If the war started cutting our heads, no one can buy a wanted fate inside of your heart. What's going on this side of darkness? You're a stranger, for them you are nobody. What's going on when you say hello? No one answers, no one answers. What's going on if you lost your passport of the truth, of the truth? If you can listen, I can speak after the ocean is dead. If your emotions will never hear the cry of the enemy who killed the child of your dreams. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on with you? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on with you? What's going on this side of darkness when nobody can answer you? What's going on? What's going on of the earth? If you can listen, I can speak. If you believe, I will hear the sound of sunny days following you. And you will see a storm melting from the tears, melting from the tears. If you can listen, I can speak. I can give my soul, the body of my songs. Hey, girls and boys. Hey, girls and boys. Hey, boys and girls. Hey, boys and girls.
Thank you for this beautiful song, Aziza. Can you please tell us about it?
It's song about people who are together and about this important part of our life, and somebody can hear your voice and can understand you. And it's about the way of the people who can create own story, who create the life that can be full of creation and something that can make this world better. It's about supporting of these people and who are alone maybe in this moment. And it's about that I can hear you, and if you can hear me, you can hear also my words to you, because we can have this connection and this understanding.
Thank you. We definitely hear you, Aziza. Thank you very much. And what's this one?
Bahçelerde kestane.
Ah, there it is.
Bahçelerde kestane, bahçelerde kestane, dokulur dani dani, dokulur dani dani. Bahçelerde kestane, bahçelerde kestane, dokulur dani dani, dokulur dani dani. Amanım civanım gel yanıma, içileri takayım boynuma. Amanım civanım gel yanıma, içileri takayım boynuma. Bahçelerde gezersin, bahçelerde gezersin, benim canım ezersin, benim canım ezersin. Bahçelerde gezersin, bahçelerde gezersin, benim canım ezersin, benim canım ezersin. Amanım civanım gel yanıma, ipek boşu sarayım boynuma. Amanım civanım gel yanıma, ipek boşu sarayım boynuma. Bahçelerde meyvalık, bahçelerde meyvalık, bu ne kadar sevdalık, bu ne kadar sevdalık. Bahçelerde meyvalık, bahçelerde meyvalık, bu ne kadar sevdalık, bu ne kadar sevdalık. Amanım civanım gel yanıma, güzel kolur sarayım yoluna. Amanım civanım gel yanıma, güzel kolur sarayım yoluna. Amanım civanım gel yanıma, güzel kolur sarayım yoluna. Amanım civanım gel yanıma, güzel kolur sarayım yoluna. Du du du du du, du du du du du, du du du du du, du du du du du, du du du du du, du du du du du, du du du du du, du du du du du.
Aziza, that slow motion and speed up, how did you come up with this? How was it born?
Just I see this rhythm inside of the lyrics and song and melody just come to me.
It's pretty cool. I like this element of this song. Can you quickly tell us, remind us what this song is about?
It's a song about love and like land and nature and garden, but it's in general it's about the love. So you can find a lot of words about feelings to the woman, girl, and description. So this song about the love.
Awesome. Thank you. Love is everywhere. What's this one?
Супереч.
Super.
Atenevo fafa, atenevo fafa, fafa nekinaga, ederere vosha, gvanerira, gvanerira, Julina moraba, atenevo fafa, atenevo fafa, atenevo fafa. Спека сонце, раби чекають світла, коли з гори дощ змиє бруд. І тільки воїн не знає страху смерті, пустелі річку побачить у собі всупереч. Супереч, супереч, супереч, супереч, супереч, Паприці річки течуть. Unneki canna mana vukotevu, alita mani maleke ote, namushovake ali papatabu. Uneki canna bulanungu guve, munengu jo, rudi rudi rudi, munengu jo, rudi rudi rudi, munengu jo, rudi rudi rudi. Alita mani baba nagu goja.
Damn, African tunes are vibing so much, right? You want to start dancing when you hear this. It's pretty cool. Damn, I'm so curious about this song. Please tell us. What does it mean for you?
This is one of the most, it's the first song in my life, and I translate it in Ukrainian. And the sense of the song also changed because exactly it's about the people who are waiting for changes, like waiting of the new rain and live in the desert. But it's about how one person doesn't wait, but can change everything. And it's also about how you can leave despair of some problems, despair of everything that you can hear and see now in this time, and you can be alive and you can be happy and you can have this power connection with your spirit, with love, with the God. Because here I saw Swahili, it's song in general, like praise song. So they sing this song in this church. So it is about the God and about the belief in the changes, but also this with Ukrainian language and with Ukrainian sense, with Ukrainian culture. It's about how you can not wait, but fight and change it now.
Wow, that's awesome. And a question about the middle of the song. There was also some African there,
Yeah.
right? But it was totally different from the song that you
Yeah, it's
sang in
different
the
song.
end.
It's the two songs.
And it's the same language in both
Yeah,
songs.
Swahili.
Mhm. Thank you, Aziza. That was amazing. What's the next one?
Hey, Gidi. No, not love.
Not love. Thank you.
Amadou Saranatiana, nel mitima. Amadou Saranatiana, nel mitima. Amadou Saranatiana, nel mitima. Amadou Saranatiana, nel mitima. Hey gidi Karadeniz, doldu da taşamadı. Etmiyorum sevdalık, edenler yaşamadı. Amadou Saranatiana, nel mitima. Amadou Saranatiana, nel mitima. Amadou Saranatiana, nel mitima. Amadou Saranatiana, nel mitima. Gidi Karadeniz doldu da taşamadı. Etmiyorum sevdalık edenler yaşamadı. Ama dostlara natyana nalmitima. Ama dostlara natyana nalmitima. Ama dostlara natyana nalmitima. Ama dostlara natyana nalmitima.
So there are two languages there, I assume. What's that? I want
It's
you to repeat
Korean
it.
language and
It's-
Turkish.
It's Korean and Turkish.
So
Wow.
it's one a Turkish song. It's a general the song of Kazım Koyucu. So it's Turkish song. It's he's a creator of this song, but a lot of Turkish people they sing the song like old song, Turkish song. But it's the release of the song was in 2014,
Mhm.
and it's about general feelings and about Karadeniz, Black Sea. But I create my own sense of this song about fear of the love and how a person can run from real feelings and not open yourself and find this black space inside full of fears, and
Mm.
it's about this.
The whole sea
Yeah,
of fears.
yeah.
The black one. Thank you, that's cool. And look how many applause are there in the chat. Aziza, rollers love it. Thank you.
Seher kirgan çigim kızım sultanini dedim sultan mısan o dedi yak yak gözleri yan huluk kıvırı halile dedim çolpan mısan o dedi yak yak dedim ismen nime dedi Ayhan'dır dedim yurtun kıya dedi turpandır dedim başındaki dedi icrandır dedim ayran musan o dedi yak yak o dedi yak yak o dedi yak yak dedim ne çok korkmasam dedi tanrım var dedim yanıcı dedi halkım var dedim yana yok mu dedi rahım var dedim şükran mısan o dedi yak yak o dedi yak yak o dedi yak yak o dedi yak yak o dedi yak yak Seher kingan çigim kızım sultanini dedim sultan mısan o dedi yak yak Seher kirgan çigim kızım sultanini dedim sultan mısan o dedi yak yak o dedi yak yak o dedi yak yak yok yak yak yak yak yak yok yok yak yak yak yak yak yak вашими мріями. Маленький квітневий сад, в стінах в'язниці тисячі крапель крові. Я намалюю дорогу додому. Війна, війна, десь там мої крові, вільний як птаха. Я повернувся до свого імені. Війна, війна, десь там мої крові, вільний як птаха. Я повернувся до свого імені. Маленький квітневий сад, пошепки заполонив, обличчя живих, обличчя живих. Маленький квітневий сад, серед вибухів болі. Не зраджений я, не пропав, я просочився водою додому. Війна, війна, десь там мої крові, вільний як птаха. Я повернувся до свого імені. Я повернувся до свого імені.
Okay, Aziza. Malangi Květnevý sad, and the name of the second song in this set.
This song, Sayhar Kirken Chiham, it's a song of Abdurrahim Heat, Uyghur poet, incredible genius person. So if I can say about folk music, he's like person who create music can be folk, because it's absolutely amazing poet. And he was in concentration camps of China, and probably he died, because we had this news that he died in these camps. But Chinese government shows that in, like, some person that makes a video that he's alive. Nobody knows exactly. So it's about this is a song. It's like anthem for Uyghur people, because it's about first you can think that it's about the love, but it's about the nation and about the spirit of the nation, about fighting for independence and freedom and the life in general. Because you know the story how Chinese government created genocide,
Yeah.
and nobody in this world except United Kingdom and Lithuania and I think maybe one another country, they said that it's about like genocide in
Recognized
United
it,
organizes,
yeah.
but nobody did it because of power of China, and then because of connection with businesses. So, and for me it's a very similar result, because they begin created these camps in 2014, and it's exactly like similar in the time when they occupied Crimea. And the next part of this performance songs, it was Malangi Květnevý sad. It's a song about all people who now in Russian captivity, like civilian people, and also prisoners of wars, and especially of also Crimean prisoners that now in Russian camps. And for me, they are like hostages of Kremlin.
This is very, all of this is very connected. Now I understand why these songs go together. Thank you, Aziza. I really wish for all genocides in this world to end, and we done with this shit. Thank you. What's the next one?
Holy Truth. No, I'm not. Moment. I
Yeah,
forgot.
we can call it Moment into Eternity.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Holy truth, walk in the darkness, and I was left alone with the world. into eternity. Holy truth, then under the ocean, holy will doesn't see the life of hers. I'm not a woman nor a man. I'm warriors of winter breeze. I'm not a woman nor a man. I'm passing my man into eternity. Holy truth was beaten in silence with cheap love stones in the heart of home. An unfree slave, you are shit, but the cry of false praise. But you can buy a billion stars, and my anger is strong, and my anger is strong, and my anger is strong, and my anger is strong. I'm not a woman or a man. I'm warriors of wind of dreams. I'm not a woman or a man. I'm passing my mind into eternity. I'm passing my mind into eternity. Which news? Which news? Which news? Which news? I'm not a woman or a man. I'm warriors of wind of dreams. I'm not a woman or a man. I'm passing my mind into eternity. I'm passing my mind into eternity.
So Aziza was hiding this song from us, and I asked her to include it into today's list. And now I would like to ask you, what does it mean? Because it's an amazing one, and I like it.
In general, this song shows my philosophy of my life, because I feel myself like, first of all, I'm a human, and I'm a warrior, and I'm on the way, and it's about when you have to choose life, and when you can be honest with yourself, and about inner power, and about something that you cannot buy or sell, and it can be a great weapon against systems that create a lot of fakes and illusion inside of you and around of you. So it's about a way of finding yourself, a way of finding exactly who you are, because for me, person and soul has no borders, and you are brighter and more deeper than you can think about yourself, more brighter. So it's about this.
Wow, that's deep. Thank you for sharing. What's the name of this one?
Azat Kırım.
Günbatıdan kel derler, kurtarmak için bizlerini. Dostqa dostluk jigit eter, azat Kırım milletin. Günbatıdan kel derler, kurtarmak için bizlerini. Dostqa dostluk jigit eter, azat Kırım milletin. Toplanınız kahramanlar, Tatar Azat Kırım Militar Kumbadıdan gel derler Kurtarmak için bizlerini Dostka dostluk Cigi Tatar Azat Kırım Militar Azat Kumbadıdan gel derler Kurtarmak için bizlerini Dostka dostluk Cigi Tatar Azat Kırım Militar
I I know a bit about this song, and I still want you to share it with the world because the story you told us on one of your streams is amazing, and it's really a warrior's song, and you can feel it. You can feel that energy. You can feel like the strike. So please tell us more.
This is a song on the lyrics that show me Linio Mierova. She was a hostage of
Yeah.
Kremlin. She was in Russian prison, and it's really great when now she's free, and she showed a video with her grandma Ezekiel, and she declaimed. She said these words, these lyrics. And it was that inspired me so much because she said it with great power, and she's from the steppe region of Crimea, and it's Nohai, and we were my father also from this region. We were in the time of Crimean Hanat, we were warriors, and a lot of people left this territory from this region. Because from the time of first occupation by Russian Empire, exactly these people left these places, and so it's about fighting. So you can find this words like let's be together and let's fight against the enemy. This is a time to fight, and we will do it, and a lot of enemies will run from us. So we will liberate and we will win.
This will happen someday, I'm sure. Crimea will be free.
Yeah. Kırım serbest olacak.
And there was a translation of the phrase, not the name of the new song, right? The next one. But the name of the next one?
Aşık ki sen geldin.
Thank you.
Aşık ki sen geldin Aşık ki sen geldin Aşık ki sen geldin Aşık ki sen geldin Düşke yelin sevgi sana sevgi gibi Düşke yelin sevgi sana sevgi gibi Yakşı ki sen geldin Yakşı ki sen geldin İçinde korku yerinde iman İçinde korku yerinde iman Biz yüreklerimiz Kırım'daki yüreklerimiz Kırım'daki yüreklerimiz Biz bir nesilmiz Biz bir nesilmiz Biz bir nesilmiz Biz bir nesilmiz Serbest insanların nesili Serbest insanların nesili Ne yerde olsak da Ne yerde olsak da Ne yerde olsak da Ne yerde olsak da Kırım'daki yüreklerimiz Kırım'daki yüreklerimiz Kırım'daki yüreklerimiz Kırım'daki yüreklerimiz Aşık Aşık sen geldin When I die, bury me in Crimea, Crimea. When I die, bury me in Crimea, Crimea. Нехай я більше не буду людиною. Crimea, нехай я більше не буду людиною. Crimea, я більше не буду бажати перемогти звіра. Я більше не буду бажати перемогти звіра. When I die, bury me in Crimea, Crimea. When I die, bury me in Crimea, Crimea. Я розчинюсь світлим болем вчителя. Я розчинюсь світлим болем вчителя. Өлкен сон мені Kırım'da göm, Kırım'da göm. Өлкен сон meni Kırım'da göm, Kırım'da göm. Өлкен сон meni Kırım'da göm, Kırım'da göm. When I die, bury me in Crimea, Crimea. When I die, bury me in Crimea, Crimea.
Both songs are beautiful, and please tell us about them.
First song, it's about whenever we are, our hearts are in Crimea. So it's about generation from Crimea that have to live in different places, in Crimea, in Ukraine, abroad. But the most important thing that our hearts are in Crimea, and we are from Crimea, and it's our state, it's our land, it's our home, and it's about changes and about union of people, union that we cannot be destroyed. And it's my dream about it, because it's really tragical moment, because we are very far, and every year we are far from each other, from the understanding each other.
Like further and further with
Yeah.
each year, right?
Yeah, and another song is about when I died, bury me in Crimea. It's about also about this great feelings of our ancestors that did everything to be in Crimea before, and they dream about this lands. But also about a lot of people who died not in Crimea. A lot of my relatives now, like the graves,
Yeah.
they are not in Crimea. For example, my grandfather, it's in Uzbekistan. He didn't arrive, and a lot of people died on the roads and in the sea, and you can never. And I believe that we have to bring the justice for these people who can, for this like energy or this memory of these people, and in this way we can find the peace and go ahead and be free.
Yeah. And what's the next one?
The colony.
The colony. Okay. I love this one.
You can't stand, but you can fly. The water and the desert will be your world. Before you die, believe me, see you, see you. You can't stand, but you can fly. The water and the desert will be your world. Before I'll die, believe me, see you, see you. In front of the enemy, I will never give up. You think you are better with your crown. This world will be great without it. This world will be great without it. Nature's blood will drain with its enemy's vein, with its tender love, with its tender love. You can't stand, but you can fly. The water and the desert will be your world. Before I'll die, believe you'll hear me, see you, see you. You can't stand, but you can fly. The water and the desert will be your world. Before I'll die, believe you'll hear me, see you, see you. You think this world belongs to you. Time belongs to the patriarch, but the greatest form is hidden in the destination, in the destination. I met my shadow in my heart and strike. It wanted to kill the birds in the bed of creation, of creation. You can't stand, but you can fly. The water and the desert will be your world. Before I'll die, believe you'll hear me, see you, see you. You can't stand, but you can fly. The water and the desert will be your world. Before I'll die, believe you'll hear me, see you, see you. You think that I will be in the trap, and the God of my family died. I see the emptiness of your tears. I see the emptiness of your tears. My forest is in love with the desert. My forest is in love with the desert. My forest is in love with the desert. My forest is in love with the desert. You can't stand, but you can fly. The water in the desert will be your world. Before you die, believe you'll hear me, see you, see you. You can't stand, but you can fly. The water The colony crumbles, London falls. Baby, I need you, paradise. As a passion of this brave time, passion of this brave time. You can't stand, but you can fly. The water and the desert will be your world before I'll die. Believe in me, see you, see you. You can't stand, but you can fly. The water and the desert will be your world before I'll die. Believe me, see you, see you, see you, see you.
The Colony indeed is one of the best songs you have, and the chat is confirming that. Like, everyone is, yes, this is my favorite song, and this is one of the best ones, and there are a lot of applause in the chat. So, guys, thank you so much for supporting Aziza, for enjoying her music so much as I do. I guess we don't even need to compete in that. Who loves Aziza's music more? We all love it. And Aziza, tell us about the Colony once again, because some people may hear it for the first time today.
It's about imperialistic world, and about how Russian could occupy Crimea, because this world is still in this story, still with the census about ideas that we have strong states, and other states are not important, or they have no like subjective power, and it's about connection, forest with desert, about the nature, how we have to understand that this world is one for us. It's a small planet, and we live near with each other, because it's really like this. We connected, and if we have problems somewhere on this planet, it means that we have problems everywhere. So it's about a lot of people that have to see justice, and in this way they can lose this influence of Russia, because Russian uses idea, so they can create this idea that they can bring liberation and bring prosperity to countries that were under colonization of Europe and West Wall. So it's about balance in our life and in our states.
Great. I have good news. Russia is actually losing its influence bit by bit. You know, it's losing its allies, and it weakens with this war. And there might be a moment where it breaks. So I wish this moment will come faster, and I'm so proud to live at the same time as people who are breaking that empire right now, on the battlefield, in the special operations, somewhere on the Russian territory, you know, working. And I want to thank all of them for their work. They do a lot, and a very important work, a historical work that will finally break this empire apart. So make Russia small again, right?
Yeah.
The next one is
Kale.
Kale, yes.
Ülkeler yanaşır, içi dolu çamaşır. Bu ne kadar güzellik,
Kale is one of the most known songs of yours. I mean, by the community and by me. Can you please tell us or remind us? Of course, we know this song, but keep forgetting what it is about.
It's about, in general, this song also old Crimean folk song, and it's about love of woman to the man who is very far from her, and she's in the darkness without him. And but I sing about also about inner power. So it's like wish to be united with yourself, and like this illusion that we have find another part of us, like we are part, like not
whole,
not whole, but we
complete.
have to find someone else to be. But it's about how we can be whole with yourself, and then we can find everything that is more important. Kale, to me, this power to be free and to be strong.
Wow, that's really cool. Yep, thank you. And what's the next one?
Freedom,
Flag
like a
of
freedom.
Oh yeah, rollers love that one.
Freedom is a name, its name is Ukraine. Ukrainian flag is a flag of freedom. Freedom is a name, its name is Ukraine. Ukrainian flag is a flag of freedom. Через вулицю смерть бачить ворогу спину. Міцно чує душа, у в'язниці думок початок зими. Freedom is a name, its name is Ukraine. Ukrainian flag is a flag of freedom. Freedom is a name, its name is Ukraine. Ukrainian flag is a flag of freedom. Лише одне врятувати може свободу. Крізь брехню, кров і смерть повертається сенс поетів. Не продати супокій шлунку тих, хто з'їдає майбутнє. Перестань закривати очі і побач, чого раз зустрічає сонце. Freedom is a name, its name is Ukraine. Ukrainian flag is a flag of freedom. Freedom is a name, its name is Ukraine. Ukrainian flag is a flag of freedom. Flag of freedom. Обирай життя серед мороку, проданих за рай домівок. Повертайся додому у дзеркалах, нічого не бійся, зневірив пам'ять. У відповідь болю на ринку рабів ти час. Ти той, хто створює волю, ти час. Ти той, хто створює волю. Freedom is a name, its name is Ukraine. Ukrainian flag is a flag of freedom. Freedom is a name, its name is Ukraine. Ukrainian flag is a flag of freedom. Freedom is a name, its name is Ukraine. Ukrainian flag is a flag of freedom. Flag of freedom. Ukraine, Ukraine.
I believe that someday this song will sound on the probably on the Wembley Stadium. So I wish you that and looking forward to that day.
Thank you so much.
Let's work on that, and no explanation needed. Everything is understandable for everyone. And what what what hard times we're going through, right? But it's absolutely an absolute honor to be a Ukrainian,
Yeah,
especially in such hard times.
yeah. I think this song, especially now, describes this time so strong because I believe I knew about this at Ukrainian spirit and philosophy is about the freedom. It's about responsibility. It's about great people that lived before us in
Yeah.
another centuries, and about the people who live now, about warriors and about activists and about people who are working for our prosperity. And I really believe in these people, and I believe, in general, I believe in good people, and I believe that in goodwill of these people, and it can really change the world. And because we have a lot of propagandistic thoughts that the people are nothing, and everything did because of some personalities. But I believe in another. I believe in will of the great people.
Yeah, we actually just 2 days ago, 1 day ago, we proved that we have the power, and our voice of the Ukrainians has huge power. And if we go out on the streets and say that we don't agree with something, those who govern the country will have to listen, because we are about freedom, yeah, freedom and responsibility also. We're taking that responsibility.
Yeah.
Aziza, thank you for taking that responsibility too. It is very important, and you realize it and fully understand it, the importance of it, and you're really, really taking it.
Thank you
for
so
that.
much for this opportunity to speak with you, to share with you music and what you did and what you do for Ukraine, for Crimea, for my culture, for myself. It's so big power, and I really, with honest heart, I feel a lot of gratitude to you, gratitude to all of you, and take care of yourself, and thank you so much for these moments. I'm happy.
I'm also happy, but we still have the time for one more song.
Yeah,
Yeah, which one would you like to sing for us? I vote for something with guitar.
with guitar.
Yeah, what do you think?
Yeah, I can. What
Thank you.
song do you?
That's actually a good question. We could ask Rollers, of course. Maybe you guys want some song that, yeah, the one with guitar. One of the options is, of course, Minim Kharakashkizim, right? If I'm pronouncing it
Yeah.
correctly.
I have an idea to sing
have
this.
another
Я
idea?
вас люблю.
Oh yeah, that's also a beautiful song. Yeah, let's do it. Rollers, since we're almost in the end of the concert, I ask you to once again remember that you can support Aziza on the base. Subscribe to her base, starting from $12, I guess, right? 500 hryvnias is the lowest tier. You can find the link in the description of the stream. This will help Aziza to stand firmly and keep creating her music and art, and ideally prosper. I am a subscriber. Follow my lead. Subscribe too, please. Thank you. And also, there are other links in the description of the stream for Aziza. Check them out. Thank you very much. And we did not have any bids for the painting, so I'm gonna put it on the auction page, and
Okay.
we're gonna have some bids, believe me. Thank you, Aziza. And please enjoy, everyone.
Краще за мене летить як птаха, неповторне коло розривається. Слухай мене, пірнаю страх, уламок щастя знайдеш всередині. Я вас люблю, мільярди вогнів. Тонне в будинках живуть боги любові та війни. Я вас люблю, мільярди вогнів. Тонне в будинках живуть боги любові, любові. Маленьке місто стане великим. Холодом нот всередині полум'я. Що ти відчуєш, коли ми підемо в посмішці Бога, що уявила смерть? Я вас люблю, мільярди вогнів. У тонних будинках живуть боги любові та війни. Я вас люблю, мільярди вогнів. У тонних будинках живуть боги любові, любові. Не біжи від бідності батька, він так любив ранковий чай. Світле багаття не згасне в очах наших. Тут не побачиш більше стін між богами, стін між богами. Стін, стін, стін, стін. Саламас, а ночі elinizle hobi Yedirdegi tebessümdür yüzünüzde hobi. Sağ olunuz anacığım, elinizle hobi Yedirdegi tebessümdür yüzünüzde hobi.
Aziza, before you tell us about this song, I wanted to actually tell you that we have a bid of $500, and it's from Tone and Andreas, who are here in the audience.
Oh.
They were signaling me, and I could not understand, so we needed to message each other for that. Thank you very much, guys, for your bid. You know, I think it's going to be fair if we maybe just auction it today, and for the next 5 minutes in the end of the stream, we can see other bids in the chat or just sell it to you. and it's gonna be fair in my opinion because rollers had the whole hour, sorry, 2 hours to get this painting, and they did not place a bid. So we have 5 minutes, guys. After that, we finish the stream and finish the auction, and the painting goes to Tone and Andreas. The rules are next. You need to say I bid and the sum of money after that. So that's it. Tell us about Я вас люблю.
It's about our people and love to our people. People of love for me, and of now for too, and about my life, because you also can find some words about my life, and gratitude to my parents, because this last part was a song from it's Serberka Kura song, the song of my childhood. Aziz Anam. Aziz Anam means dear mother. So it's, you know, it's about love to our people, to my friends, to my relatives, to this world, and about also truths that we cannot run from our roots, from our real story, and we have to fight this real story of our roots, of our parents and sisters, and don't run from this, and be together and with this story.
Yeah, I totally agree, and it's very important to not run from the story, and to cherish it, and to pass it further, right? Also, well, thank you for passing the stories, and I don't see any other bids. I also want to be sure that you're okay to bid for the painting. You're okay? Okay, that's good. Because you were talking to each other now, and I got worried. Okay, that's good. The painting is gorgeous. I think we need to show it on the camera. What do you think?
Okay.
Yeah, I think we can do it. You want to turn it? I thought we maybe take it and carry closer to the camera. Yeah. So we like the light, we need to turn it or reset it. Oh, thank you, Kale. So, guys, this is a masterpiece, and it has some flowers on it, little roses, I guess. It has a photo of Crimean.
Yeah, it's photo
Sure.
of my great friend Rade. It's a photo of a great person Rade. She is Crimean Tatar, and she's also from Kislev, and from she's exactly represents high culture. And this is a photo from my city, and she gave me it's like present, and really like it. I think it's also this photo is also not also it's masterpiece. It's I really like it, and it's my home in general.
We actually have the last minute. Can I take the microphone? Yeah, we have the last minute, and I don't see any bids there. And I just love this one. And we actually also have some signatures on the side. This painting is also, it's not only on the front, but also like at the top, at the bottom, on the sides. It says Krim, Ukraine, Krim, 2025. Let's show it closer. Yep, there is something there, but we need to shed some light on it. Thank you, Kale. Okay, yeah, it's good. That's some experiment here. Thank you. So Dmitro helped us with the other camera. Thank you, Dmitro. Okay, checking the last time, and saying goes to. Yep, yep. We can say this. Okay, let's follow the rules. Going once to Andreas and Tone for $500. Going twice for Andreas and Tone for $500. And sold to Tone and Andreas for $500. Congratulations. It's a beautiful one. It's beautiful. And well, I think we can put it back, maybe. Or give it to the new owners right away. What do you think? No, don't turn the camera. Don't turn the camera, please. We need to keep it like. Oh, actually, you guys. Okay, it went to the new owners. Thank you. So, I want to thank everyone for being here today, for supporting this stream, this beautiful music, this great talent, this beautiful art. You know, guys, we are following Aziza's art and music for more than a year now, and it's been a beautiful year, full of like amazing discovery and full of passion, full of tenderness and a lot of tears too, because your music goes deep into the souls, into our souls, and to be honest, I love it. I don't feel crying is not bad. It actually is very important part of our life. So thank you, Aziza, for making me cry so often.
For me, this year it's not 1 year. It's like whole universe, no, many years. So I feel it like this, not 1 year, but it changed a lot of things, a lot of states in me, and I'm so happy to know you, to be with you together. Thank you so much with all my heart to all of you who are here, who created this sound, who created this atmosphere, who are on the another side and they're watching the stream. Thank you. Hug you.
Thank you very much. Once again, big thanks to Caroline and Metro.
Yeah.
Metro, thank you for the great sound.
It's amazing sound.
Caroline,
I like.
thank you for the video setup and the lights. It's amazing. Thank you. So guys, support Aziza. Links in the description. Thank you, moderators, for your great work. Thank you for all the super chats. And by the way, yeah, Adrian, I forgot to also thank you for that 50 Swiss francs. Thank you so much for this concert, Adrian said. And everyone is thanking you, Aziza, in the chat. Well done. Thank you for the wonderful concert, Aziza, from Paul Deberitz. And
Thank you, Rick, for this concert. Thank you so much. You did impossible, and you show how to do impossible in general. It's exactly a lot of songs also about you, how you change this world, not waiting of something. And you said we have to do it right now because nobody knows about the future. And
yeah, we need to live here and now, today. Yeah. The future may not come, but it will come. And it's going to be a bright future for Ukraine, for Ukrainian people, and for Crimean Tatars, for your people on your land in Crimea. Russia will be defeated, Russian Empire will collapse, and we will start building up a new, amazing country. And you guys need to remember that we have all of this, have this opportunity to have this concert thanks to our defenders. So please never stop supporting them, because without the front there will be no rear, there will be no Ukraine if we lose. So please keep supporting the army, and I know you will. So thank you for that. Thank you for everything you do. Much love from me, much love from Aziza. And Slava Ukraini.
Героям слава.
Героям слава. Thank you. Thank you, guys. I think we can end with applause. Yes. Woo! Thank you so much, Aziza. See you on another one. in a few months, I guess, we need to keep doing this because doing this here in Lanet Production, by the way, thanks to Lanet Production for this awesome experience once again, we can provide a pretty awesome quality and make some music videos for your channel. So guys, subscribe to Aziza's channel once again. Okay, we said goodbye already, so I just need to press end button. Aziza, if you have something to say before that, say it. You have 1 more minute.
I love you, my friends, and I love you, my mother, if you're looking the stream, and see you and hug you. Take care of yourself.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye everyone. Live long, prosper and donate. Слава Україні.
Героям слава.
Героям слава.